Namaste. Welcome to Paru Yoga. I am Paru. This yoga sequence is for runners and athletes after their intense run. Basically, we are going to cool down our body after a run. Before getting started, if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Let's get started. Stand straight and tall. Place your feet wide apart. Spread your hands sideways. Inhale and exhale to lower down. You may close your eyes. Be gentle. Your intense run is complete and want muscles relax and cool down. Inhale deep to slowly raise your hands sideways and try seeing your palms when the hands are up above. Find some motion and exhale to release your hands. One more time. Inhale, hands are up. Feel the gentle stretches and exhale to lower them down. You may do this for a couple of more times. Now place your hands on your hips. Inhale and lower down your upper body halfway. Exhale and hold for a few seconds. You may adjust yourself. Feel the stretches and gentle pain throughout your body. Inhale to slowly lower your body down. Find some gentle motion by swaying your hands crisscross. You may bend your knees for your comfort. Place your both palms on the floor. Relax. Adjust yourself. Remember not to push yourself too hard. You may bend your knees if needed. Lower your head to touch the floor. Be gentle. Now gently step your hands towards your body. Take it slow. One more step inside. Stretch deep. Make sure to listen to your body and try not to push yourself much. Feel the gentle stretches throughout your body and breathe normally. Hold on to it for a few seconds and press the outer edges of the feet, drawing your navel to your spine and step your hands forward to slowly raise your body halfway. Also adjust your feet to close in. Inhale, release your hands from the floor and place it in your hips for halfway lift. Find your flat back and exhale to gently raise your body. Adjust your legs. Release your hands to form Namaste at the heart center. Inhale and exhale full from your mouth. Observe your breath, how it comes and goes away. Try to calm down your body after your intense run. Exhale, release your hands. Adjust yourself. Inhale, interlace your fingers at your back to pull your body back. Check your neck muscles. Stretch your neck to your right shoulders. Gently to your left. Do it for a couple of more times. See how it looks like at the back. Be gentle. You may pull the hands and shoulders as your comfort. Now at the front, legs are apart. Inhale and exhale to bend your upper body forward. You may rock your body to the right and to the left. Inhale and exhale. Make sure your hands and shoulders are comfortable. Hold. You may bend your knees if you need. Inhale to draw your navel towards your spine and slowly raise up. Exhale, release your hands. Inhale deep to slowly raise your hands up above. Exhale to release the hands to form Namaste at the heart center. Inhale and exhale to slowly lower your hands to place them on the floor. Check one palm using another and inhale, slowly raise your left hand up above, aligned with your shoulder and ear. You may bend your knees if you need. Look up towards the ceiling. Hold. Exhale, lower down your hand to place in the floor. Next hand, check one palm using another and inhale. Slowly raise your right hand up, aligned with your shoulder and ear. Look up towards the ceiling. Hold. Exhale, lower down your hand to place in the floor. Turn to your left. Your palms are placed at the top of your mat. Inhale to be in runner lunge. Exhale, lower your back knee. Pull your upper body back. Inhale and exhale while you lower your upper body. Now let us gently do this on the right side. Step sideways slowly to place your palms on the top of your mat at the right. Right leg at the front and inhale to be in runner's lunge. Exhale, lower your left knee, pull your upper body back. Inhale, exhale while you lower your upper body. You may find some motion. Hold for a few seconds. Slowly step sideways to be in the front center of the mat. Adjust your legs to be slightly apart. Place your hands on the knees and hips are lowered to be in a frog. Gently rock your knees. Right knees to the front and back. Left knees front and back. You may place your palms at the front and continue with the gentle motion. After a while, you may take a rest in the frog pose. Find a little resistance here as we squeeze the legs and gently stretch your neck towards your right and to the left. Rotate your head gently clockwise and counterclockwise. Place your hands at the heart center to form Namaste. Hold. Find some motion in your head. Gaze forward, up above and down. Stretch your neck to the left and to the right. Inhale deep and exhale full, then release your hands to sit down, facing towards your legs. Hands are on the back, legs are spread to the front. Adjust, shake your legs gently, pull and push your toes towards the body. Shake your calves and thighs gently. For a variation of one leg pigeon, pull your right heel in towards you. Send the left toes towards the back. Inhale, use your palms on the floor to shift your body up and straight. Your hands are stretched. Also, you may rock your body sideways. Hold for a few seconds. And exhale to fold forward, arms at the front, resting on the floor. Hold for a few seconds. Feel the stretches and gentle pain throughout your body. You may fold your hands to place forehead on top of it. Relax for a while. Slowly rise back. Hands and upper body are straight and stretched. Your thigh muscles are stretched. Use your left hand to care and slowly lift your left ankle and catch it. Adjust yourself to be comfortable. You may find some motion into it. Try not to overstretch your thigh muscles. Not good after the run. Draw your navel towards the spine. Deep breath in and out. Gently release your leg. Now gently bring your leg to the front. Both heels pulled in to be in a butterfly pose. Hold your toes. Inhale, your back is straight and tall. You may gently massage your feet and the arcs of toes. And exhale to hang your head to the chest. And inhale to raise your head. Now we are changing the sides. Legs are apart. Gently bring in your left heel. You may adjust and right legs goes back. Inhale, use your palms on the floor to shift your body up and straight. Hold, your hands are stretched. Exhale to fold forward. Arms at the front, resting on the floor. You may fold your hands to place forehead on top of it. Relax. How are your muscles feeling? Observe the sensations. Feel the stretches and gentle pain throughout your body. Slowly rise back. Hands and upper body are straight and stretched. Your thigh muscles are stretched. Use your right hand to care. Slowly lift your right ankle to catch it. Adjust yourself to be comfortable. You may find some motion into it. Try not to overstretch your thigh muscles. Hold. Draw your navel towards the spine. Deep breath in and out. Feel the stretches and gentle pain throughout your body. Gently release your leg. Bring your both heels in for a butterfly pose. Use your hands to hold the toes. Inhale. Your upper body is straight and head is high. You may hold your ankles or gently massage your toes. Exhale. Hang your head down. Deep breath in and out for a couple of times. Observe your mindfulness here. Inhale and exhale to release your hands. Now, let us end today's session in a child's pose. Sit on top of your heels. Your knees are spread wide. Inhale deep and exhale full to slowly draw your both hands to the front and the head follows to be in the mat. Breathe normally. Observe your breath, your thoughts, how they come and go. Feel the stretches and the sensations running through. After your run, and your sore muscles may feel relaxed by now. Your entire body is in rest. Focus on your relaxation, your breath, letting go of all thoughts. Our goal is to be healthy and foster happiness around us. Welcome positivity within our body and mind. Namaste.
Thank you everyone for joining me in this practice. I hope this video will help you to cool down your body after your intense run and avoid any muscle injuries. How do you feel now? Please comment below. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Be healthy and happy. Namaste.